Welcome back, my friend. Let's do some belly heat. Today, we're going to pick out 4 cards from this deck of cards, the Shuffle Belly Dance cards. We're going to break down the moves and practice them. And in another video, we're going to come up with the dance routine. Are you ready? I am. We have Maya, which is the hips, snake arms, walking undulation, and the head slide. So the Maya is the vertical figure 8, basic belly dance pose, which is the feet and hips same width, knees bent, chest up, shoulders relaxed and neck elongated. From here, we're going to lift one hip, go out, and go back in. Lift, out, in. So out like that, up, out, and in. Up, out, and in. Up, out, in. Up, out, in. Up, out, in. Other side, up, out, in. Up, out, in. Up, out, in. 8 on this side and 8 on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to alternate. So this hip goes up, out, in. As this one goes in, the other one goes up. So out, 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 out. Make it nice and controlled. Perfect. Let's do 8s, 4s, and 2s. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now let's do 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2. 1, again, 1, 2. Let's do the 2 again. 1, 2. Perfect. Next move is snake arms. So snake arms, you go up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Other side, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. You're not uncontrollably flailing the arms. You move them with control. So up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. It's almost like the movement comes from these muscles plus the shoulders. So up, nice and fluid. Let's practice, but this time we're going to alternate. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Perfect. Now 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 2. 1, 2. Nice job. Our next move is walking undulation. So undulation, we take our chest forward and back, forward and back, forward and back, forward and back. So the rest of your body follows your chest. 1, this one goes forward, 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 back. When you do the undulation, your body naturally follows your chest. So watch me. Forward. Now this one, as you go back, everything else goes forward and back. Forward and back. So you're like a wave. Back, forward and back. Forward and back. Forward and back. Let's do 8 4s and 2s. So 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. The more you bend your knees, the deeper your undulation is going to look. Let's do a few without bending the knees so you can see how it looks, and with bending the knees. Big difference. So without bending in the knees, forward, back, forward, back, forward, back, forward, back. Now let's try it with the bend in the knees. So we go forward, back, forward, back, forward, back, forward, back. See the difference? So as we move our chest forward and the rest of the body follows, when the chest goes back, at the very end, just add your step. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do 8 4s and 2s. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 2. 1, 2. So for the head slide, keep everything relaxed, and you're trying to reach your ear to this shoulder, but not like this, going straight. So 1, I need to warm it up first. So 1, and it has to be on the same axis. You don't want to go forward. You want to, so this is your neutral posture, and you don't want to go like this or like this. You want to go straight, following the line of your shoulders. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me show you from the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 2. 1, 2. It's okay if it's not a big movement in the very beginning. Once you get used to it, and it doesn't even have to be big. Let's try it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1,